Hey folks, welcome to my channel. In one of my previous videos I show you how to make rock cakes, right? And in that recipe I use 1 egg. So today I'm going to show you Trinidad's version of this rock cake. In this version we add coconut, grated coconut, and we don't use any eggs. So basically this is a rock cake recipe without any eggs. Okay, so in my mixing bowl I already have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 1 cup of raisins, 1 cup of granulated sugar. You could also use brown sugar if you wish. I have 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You could also add nutmeg as well. Here I have some coconut puree. What I did here, I used half of a dry coconut and I added about half cup of water and I blended up that. So this came up to what I have here in my bowl is 1 cup of that coconut that I blended up. Okay, 1 cup of this, and 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of lard. I use Crisco shortening, right? And I have 1 tablespoon of coconut extract. I found this in the grocery store in Tortola. I would normally always see this in Trinidad. This is the first time I'm seeing it in Tortola, so I said this is coming perfect for this particular recipe. So I'm using this coconut extract. You could use vanilla essence or almond essence, whatever you have, but as I found this, I decided to use this in this recipe. So here I have the all-purpose flour. First I'm going to just add the cinnamon and the baking powder and mix everything together. Like I said, if you have nutmeg, you could also add that, but what I have is finished, so I couldn't use that today. Just mix this up quickly. Now I'm going to add in the butter and the lard. Now this time I'm going to use my fingers to just blend this into the dry flour. Next I'm going to add the sugar and the raisins. Just mix that in quickly. Now I'm going to add the coconut extract, and I'll gradually add in the coconut puree. Okay, so here's my mixture with everything mixed in. This is the kind of consistency that we're looking for. Gooey and sticky. So I'm going to organize my baking tray. Put my oven to set at 350 degrees. And put this to bake maybe about 20 minutes. I'll be back in a short while, baby. Okay, so I'm done putting the mixture on the baking tray. This is about 12 of them, so I'm going to put it in the oven, which is set at 350 degrees, and it should take about 20 minutes to fully bake. Okay folks, so here my coconut drops straight out of the oven, looking absolutely amazing. Cooking time is about 25 to 35 minutes to get this nice color. So let me just break into one for you to see. I'm so excited. Look at that. This one got a big chunk of coconut. Better yet. Can't wait to try these. Give a little bite. Oh yeah, so good. Again, this will go with a great cup of. This will go great with a cup of tea, or if you're into coffee and stuff like that. Yeah. I also need to mention that I'm really liking the flavors of the coconut extract in these coconut drops. So if you get a chance, if you get it in your grocery store. Also in my previous video I showed you how to make the rock cakes. I made my I had a slip of a tongue and I said drops, right? No, like in this recipe we are doing coconut drops. And that's how my mom and I we used to call it at home. We used to call them drops, right? So instead of saying coconut drops, we will just say it short, drops, right? So if you hear me say drops, I'm talking about these coconut drops. So that's the reason why I said that. If you are interested in supporting this channel on my Patreon account, I'll leave a link in the top right hand part of your screen so you can check it out, and there will also be links in the description box below. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.